calzone? What the world? What is that?
Pop-Tart.
It's a Pop-Tart? But isn't a Pop-Tart a calzone? Are you sure, Vera? Are you sure? Qualifying update. Car is ready to go. Hopefully running on with a 1 is good enough to, you know, get a #1 qualifier. I don't know. Competition's tight out here. We've been racing all weekend. What? The old man says it's raining. You're raining? On my glasses. Zombie, now it's raining. Look at it. Little bitty dots on my glasses. You betcha, we got rain situation. Alright, so rain's coming in. We're gonna put up some canopies and then we'll have to check that ladder, see how that qualifying thing turned out. Hey, looks like the old man fixing to make some hamburger sandwiches. They're big ones today. How many hamburgers have you had that actually have ham on it?
None.
What's up with that?
I don't know. Why do they call it a hamburger?
I don't know. What do you think about that?
Do you think we can Google it?
Oh man, here we go on the internet again. But really, what the heck is fruit pizza? It ain't like any kind of pizza I've ever seen. That looks more like a cookie with fruit on it, and I don't know how you call that a pizza. It's not even round. Every pizza, most pizzas that I've ever seen are round.
Oh, for pizza?
Hey, yeah, but we're debating whether or not this is fruit pizza or fruit pie.
Pie.
Well, pies are sweet, pizzas are Italian. I'm just throwing it out there. Is it fruit pizza a pizza or is it a pie?
Is there any kids around here? Where do you come up with these questions? A pie has a crust. Like a pie crust.
Well, you just
made
said
out
a
of pastry.
pizza has a
I
crust.
did not offer you pie.
Well,
I offered you pizza.
Are you trying to tell me that Pizza Hut does not have a crust?
I'm telling you, a pie does not have pizza crust.
I can just see it on YouTube. Beep. Pizza, beep, beep, beep. Pie, beep. Fruit, calzone, beep.
Hot dog, no sandwich.
Yeah, that's because you're not having a sandwich. You're just having the dog. Is it good? Well, you guys, the sun came out. It got a little bit warmer out here. Temperature's going up. I think I'm gonna dial her up 2 numbers. We ran 3 13s in a row this morning, but the last one was kind of a high 13. 13 was a 7-8, so I'm gonna dial her up to a, I don't know if the 60 foot is gonna be super spectacular. I'm thinking, you know, middle of the road 60 foot probably, so I'm gonna dial her up, you know, 1.2 basically. I'm gonna dial her up to a 15. Computer's saying it's gonna be a mid to low 15. I'm kind of agreeing with it here. Give it our best go. 15 going on the window. I just got away with one. Tell you what, first round, Shelly did everything right, and I had luck on my side. So she had me on the tree, I had a bad light, got down to the big end, I ended up catching her stomping the brakes, so I stomped the brakes, ended up with 001 stripes, so that worked out. Got by first round, which was fortunate, #1 qualifier, got a bye second round. Well, you can't win them all, you guys. I mean, had a great day, great weekend, win a couple rounds, but and at this point, I'm not even sure if I messed up. You guys tell me, comment down below, because at this point in time, I have not even seen the footage, so I'm not sure if I should have stayed in it or not. But in my head, and what happened right now at this point in time anyways, without seeing any footage, is I thought she was coming, and I was like, she's definitely getting there. I thought she was definitely going to take the stripe on me. So when she got up there, I got out of it, and she ended up running right on her number with a 0. So if I would have stayed in it, I could have maybe pushed her out to a breakout. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure if she got on the brakes or not. If I look at the footage and she got on the brakes, then I should have stayed in it. But if she didn't get on the brakes, then it really wouldn't have made no difference, I guess. But like I said, you can't win them all. We had a great day. We did the best we could. It is what it is. We're going home, and in a couple days, we're headed to Eddyville. We're going to Eddyville, going to do some 8th mile racing for the Summit Team Finals, hoping for the best out there. That's going to wrap it up for today. Thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, doing all the things. Hey, turn on the bell notifications for me. That would really help me out. Please hit the subscribe button. You guys have no idea how much that means to me. And tell one of your friends. Tell one of your friends about the channel if you enjoy the content on this channel. Help spread the word for me. I would just, I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching. Catch ya in the next one. Later.